Hello friends, welcome to my channel Aparna Arts. Today you will be seeing designer designs for saree borders and pallus. My details are in this video and below this video. Those who are interested can join my online painting classes and I do order works. I have taken colors, acrylic colors and medium and brushes 000, then 6 and 8. And for face I am using 000 and burnt sienna color, acrylic color. This is cotton saree, kota cotton cloth. You can paint this design on saree pallu and dresses and tops. Those who are interested can join my online professional courses. I teach freehand painting, oils, acrylic, tanjore, 3D murals, 3D flowers, oragata flowers, types of roses, chrysanthemums, birds, faces and many more. After painting this vase, I'll be painting fuchsia flower and these flower bunches also you can paint on saree borders and dresses. This is a creative design and you can see many more creative designs in my live videos in my channel. I have freehand painting course book of notes and techniques of 65 pages in black and white, and those interested can buy. Painting the stem and the leaves of fuchsia flower and then the flower by applying medium. It's a wet on wet technique for painting flowers. Now I'm painting the fuchsia flower. First I have applied the medium, then the colors. After completing the painting, you can highlight the design with 3D Frolica white. You can paint this design for saree, pallu, borders, dresses and tops. It is a beautiful design as you can see after it is complete. Now you will be seeing two more designs for saree borders and dresses. You can do this design. I have used a flat 8 number brush, and for flowers I have used round brush number 6. You can use 8 also. This is very easy and simple design and you can try. Now this is another design with flat brush I have drawn the curved lines, then again with flat brush I am making the cherries. This is also very simple and easy design for saree borders and dress borders. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art and art techniques. My details are in this video and below this video. Keep watching. See you. Bye bye.